Today we're going to talk about teen numbers. So teen numbers are 10 plus some. So we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have 10. Then after 10, it's a pack of 10 and then whatever's left over. So when we look at 17, 17 is a 1 and a 7. The 1 stands for teen. That means there's 10. So if I wanted to break that number up, it would mean that there are, so here's 17. This means that there are 10 plus 7 more. So I have a pack of 10. So here's my 10 frame. So I have 1, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my 10. It's not a very straight 10 frame, but we're going to pretend. Now, when I do my teens, if it's 17, then I'm going to go 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 1, or this is 10, and this is 7. Together, they make 17. We take the 1, or you could also see this as a 0 and a 7, because there isn't, this is the one spot. So I'm going to take my 1 here, and my 7 from here, and I'm going to make 17. I can also count that. I know there's 10 here, so I don't have to go through it again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. Here's the 1, the 10 frame, or the 10s, or the teen. Here's the 7. If I was going to do 13, I have 10. Again, there's that teen, the 10. 1, 2, 3. So I have 10 here and 3 here. 10, 11, 12, 13. So for our assignment today, we're going to be doing 10 frame teens. So we have, in each one of these, they already did the 10s. They already did the teen to make it a teen. Here's that 1. Remember, the 1 in front means that it is a teen. So this is 17, 14, 13, 16, 19, 18, 15, 12. So I've already done the first 2, because there's our 10 frame, and then 5, 6, 7. So that's 17. Then we have 10 frame, 1, 2, 3, 13. Then we go down here, and we do 19. So 19 is 1 less than 20, so I'm going to fill up everything but this last one. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now the last one on this side, I have 10 here. I need 15. So I can keep going by counting after 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is 10 plus 5 extra. 19 is 10 plus 9 extra. 13 is 10 plus 3 extra. 17 is 10 plus 7 extra. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to do this side. I want you to show me 14, 16, 18, and 12. So that's what I would like you to do. Okay, if you are not done yet, please pause and wait till you're done. Okay, so 14 is 10 plus 4 extra. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 16 is 10 and 6 extra. 10, 15, then one more, 16. 18 is 10 and 8 extra, and 12 is 10 and 2 extra. On our next math page, we have a young man and some dogs. It says, draw a counter as you count each dog to show how many. So as we draw our, they've already started it. We have one dog, so we're going to put a counter there. Another dog, we're going to put a counter there. One dog, we're going to put a counter there. One dog there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 dogs. So they started off empty, and then he put a counter on each one. Down here, we're going to do the same thing. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they filled up that whole 5 frame. And then they have 1 left over, which is 6. Then down here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have 6. So we have a whole 5 frame and 1 left over. So if we were using the 10 frame like we did over here, so if we had a 10 frame like we did on the other part, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 left over would be 6. Okay. We're going to do the same thing here. You're going to count how many dogs or cats. You're going to fill them in the 5 frame. When you have leftovers, you're going to put them below. So I'm going to count this one here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's my 5, and I've been marking them so I don't recount them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have 2 left over, so I'm going to put 2 down here. Okay, I want you to try the other 2. Okay, so I have a 5 frame and 2 left over, and then down here I have a 5 frame and 1 left over. Because this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the next page, you're going to count how many balls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to write 6. I can make a 10 frame to show 6 as well. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my 10 frame. I can do it up here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 5 frame, and then I can do 1 extra. And then on the way back, you are going to circle which group has a greater amount. So which shovel group has a greater amount? Which number is less? Which of these numbers is less? Remember, less means fewer. And if you need to, draw a picture of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who has less dots? Who has fewer dots? 4, right? I'm going to circle 4. Who has more shovels? So here, this shovel and this shovel cancel each other out. This shovel and this shovel cancel each other out. Oh, I ran out of shovels. But down here I have more, so I'm going to circle the one that has the bigger amount. Then question number 3, mark an X on the group that is less in number than the other group. So we have a 1 and we have a 3. So we wanted to X out the 1 ball because it is less. Then you're going to count how many. So how many porcupines are there? 1, 2, 2. So you're going to write 2 down here. And then how many plates do you have? 1. Then you're going to circle the one that has a greater amount. Well, 2 is more than 1, so I'm going to circle that one. Okay, then number 5, it says, draw a group of counters that is equal to the number of groups of counters shown. So what you're going to do is you're going to do that 1 to 1 again. You're going to put 1 here and 1 here, so they're the equal. Because this one represents this one represents this one. So there they are. Great job. Kiss your brain. Keep up the great work.